Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can find text in Google Sheets mobile. So let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone and I have opened my spreadsheet as well, and we're going to find text in the spreadsheet. So the first thing we have to do is we can click on this three dots button on the top right corner of our screen. Then we can select find and replace, and you can enter the text that you want to find. And for example, I'm going to find control like this, and after we type the text will appear on our screen, and this is the text or the word that I'm going to find, and we have found it. Okay, and I'm going to give you another example. So just tap on this three dots button, then we can type on find and replace, and for example I'm going to find this word. Okay, and this is the word, guys. And this find feature will help us when we have a large amount of data, and it will be so hard for us if we want to find text and we have to find it one by one on the table, on the row like this. So this find feature will help us when we have a large amount of data. Okay, so that's how we can find text in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.